In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate WooCommerce with Loco Translate. This is a powerful tool that can help you make your online store more accessible to customers all around the world, offering them a seamless shopping experience in their native language. So, let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First things first. Before we can start translating anything, we need to install the Loco Translate plugin. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, take a look on the left-hand side and find the Plugins section. Click on it, then choose the option labeled Add New. Now, in the search bar, type Loco Translate. This will bring up the plugin we're looking for. Once it appears, click on Install Now and let the installation process run its course. After it's installed, you'll need to activate it. So click on the Activate button, and you're all set. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, the next step is to add a language to your WooCommerce plugin, or if necessary, edit an existing one. For this, navigate to the Loco Translate section on your WordPress dashboard and select the Plugins option. Here you'll see a list of various plugins you've got installed, so go ahead and click on WooCommerce. At this point, you have a couple of choices. If the language you need is already listed, simply click on it. For example, if you need to translate into Spanish and it's there, just click on Spanish. If your desired language isn't listed yet, don't worry. Just click on the New Language button. This will open up a new interface where you can start adding your translations. Once you've selected your language or created a new one, hit Start Translating. With our language set up, it's time to get into the meat of this process, translating the actual text strings in WooCommerce. This is what your users will see as they navigate through your site. To make things easier, Loco Translate provides a filter bar, allowing you to search for specific strings you might want to translate, such as Add to Cart, Billing Details, or Place Order. Just type the phrase you're looking for in the search bar, and it will appear below. Once you find the string you want to translate, click on it. Doing so will open a text area at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll input your translation. Make sure your translation is clear and accurate, then click the Save button to store your changes. By following these steps, you can easily translate WooCommerce using the Loco Translate plugin, enhancing your site's usability and reaching a broader audience. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you make your WooCommerce store more user-friendly and accessible.